Hi, my name's Lex, and this is what we're working on this week. It's a frame, a wood frame. I lightly sanded it and then primed it and then painted it this bright turquoise color, and then added the flowers first, and then the little circles, and then dashes, and then circles and dashes together, and then colors around colors. So I like to make the pattern. So I really don't know. Again, I don't plan a lot of my things. I just sort of go by feeling. I hope you enjoy the process. Colors in my palette this week: the light purple, which I didn't use, fluorescent pink, the cadmium yellow, phthalo blue, the magenta, cadmium red, the permanent green light, the white, and I forgot to say aqua green for the frame. Mixing magenta with the white to make the flowers. Adding the yellow near that pink and purple over the turquoise gives it a nice vibrant exchange of between the colors. Really like adding these extra darker colors. I think the pattern starts to push against the flowers and the yellow, the dark blue against the yellow and the purple. I'm trying to figure out what best way to do these videos, if I should speak all the way through them or let some breathing air space go with the music. So I kind of am experimenting with doing both. Fuchsia color or bright pink color on top of the navy blue or the phthalo blue looks, I love it. I think it just adds so much to the pattern. Now, if I had left it just the blue, I think you wouldn't see as much in the frame. The same thing with the yellow having the green, the lime green on top of it. That to me is, kind of what I get excited about doing these patterns. repainting the pink, I should say I'm doing the second coat of the pink because it's not opaque enough. Many of the lighter colors have to be given 2 coats because they're not opaque enough. But I also do that on the dark colors too. I want the colors to remain very rich. This is painting the frame first and then figuring out what art will go inside of it. So this will inspire what piece of art I paint to go inside the frame, which makes it fun too. Colors remind me of Lily Pulitzer, of her designs from her shifts in the 70s, I guess, 60s, 70s. She started in 1959, but 58, 59, but I remember seeing them all through my childhood and even currently. Second round of outlining. So I started with the lime green around the pink flowers. Now I'm going with the phthalo blue around the lime green. The paintbrush, fairly on a pointy side, it's thin, with the water and the paint being thinned out so I can actually move it around and keep the line even. I hope all this inspires you to try to work in patterns on your frames or anything, furniture, chairs, just to just give new life to old things. Around the entire frame to look for anything that needed to be touched up, and now that I'm done, I'm going to use this Minwax polyacrylic water-based clear gloss. So I paint 2 coats on, and it gives a nice look to the frame. I go all around, even on the edges. Thanks for spending time with me on this frame. Hope to see you next week. Thanks. Bye. Like and subscribe.